Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. We're going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold for tonight. See some levels that we are potentially going to be trading from based off of how the market structures itself. So let's take a look here at S&P 500. We'll look at what took place today. We had some good opportunities up. And you can see we kind of highlighted it. We had some good opportunities to the upside, and then that market just kind of collapsed below a key level of what was once support and became one of our key levels of resistance. And from there fell off to some pretty important levels and stayed below that, right? So we had some good opportunities on the downside, and now it does look like we're trying to climb back up to our resistances. Now I did highlight this level sitting right here at 54.50 as a target. We were trading this up on S&P earlier this afternoon for me, so I will post that trade here on YouTube as well, so you guys can see. We had about 3 lots. I think we took close to maybe about a little bit over 10 points, so I will post that up so you guys can see it. Now, we may end up climbing into these 69 to 70s for the London session, and then we'll look to trade that area. Now, if we can't get through this level here at 54 and hold it as support, we will be looking for a potential move down. We're still in that downtrend. Key levels of resistance sitting up here at 69 to 70. So we're going to be paying attention to that. If we do get back up here, we are looking to see if price can fail the level. It even can actually break through. You can see how we had a breakthrough here and the market came back down, and we would then look for that short opportunity. So we are looking to see if this market can fail it and then come back down at least into this middle of the 54 to 55 area, right? At maximum, maybe back down to this support here. Nice double bottom move right off this level. So we were looking at that for a continuation of move up on S&P 500. But um, again, tonight we'll be looking for those failures. If we do get above these 70s, though, our next target is going to be looking at these 3380s to 90s. Now, I do think over a course of time, I don't know exactly how far ahead, but I do think that we're going to be pulling back into 3,500, 37, and then maybe even the 4,000s on, that high side. So that is what I'm anticipating for S&P. But right now we did fall from 3,400 back down into these 3330s. So looking to see if the markets pull back into those 3,500s. Again, I do feel that S&P may end up climbing into those 3,700s to 4,000. So we'll see if we can get them all the way up there. But for the London session, again, we'll be looking at this level of the 70s as our more major level of resistance. Right now, we're hitting a minor level. Let's take a look at that 5-tick here real quick. Tick chart will pull up. Same information that we saw. We do have this level of resistance again, that 58 that we're looking at right here. We did break this level. I was targeting 56, but we broke above it. We hit the 60, right around those 60s, and then we double topped and came right back down. So we did get some nice support coming in at that prior resistance, and then that gradual climb back to the upside. So we are looking to see if we get back to those 70s. But again, this level of failure that we had right between these 58 to 60s can also pull us back down. Now, if we get to this support of 3330 and we can't get past that, again, we can even break down below, but if we can't get past that, we will be then looking for an upside move from there for that fade back up, right? So as of right now, only really took some trades off this level here for the upside. We'll put that up on YouTube for S&P. And again, levels of resistance 58 to 60 first, and then 69 to 70 as a major level of resistance. We'll be looking to trade off those areas. Now let's take a look at gold as well, see what we have on there. Gold kind of similar to S&P 500, which is definitely different. When I first started trading gold, these metals would be totally opposite of, the equities, right? But now they're kind of going in the same direction, which, doesn't, is it is good and bad if you use correlations, right? You just want to understand what's happening more often now, and these metals are going in the same direction as the equities as of what I can see. There are days where they go in opposite, but more days they're going in the same direction, right? So you can use those to positively or negatively correlate markets as well. Now you can see we had nice support. We had a strong level of support, 1878.5. We did dip down quite a bit from where we were. You can see we had another level of support. We chopped through that area and just continued to have that move down. Now we're traveling back up. Our level of resistance for gold is going to be right around 1890. Now, if we get back above 1890, next target going to be looking right around those 98s to 99s, right? So we do have some smaller little bit of targets here. These little targets, 92, 93, right? But markets can just blow right through those. Major ones you can see are coming right up at these peaks right over here. So we want to look out for this level. Now, as of right now, I think gold will climb back into these 90s, and from there we'll look to see what we can do as far as trade it, get that failure, maybe a 2-try failure, and then try that move down, that double top movement right there. If we can't get that price to travel all the way back up there, then we'll look to see if we can get the support back at 84 and then get those bounces and then try along from there, or get back under 84 and try that downside of 76 again. Right. Again, we are in that downtrend, so best to take the trades with the trend. But micro movement, you can see, is trying to gradually pull back to the upside. So we want to be cautious of what we're looking at also on the micro side. Let's take a look at a 5-tick here real quick. Now you can see on this 5-tick looks a little bit cleaner. I guess you would say in the micro movement wise. Nice V bottom here and this increased move right here for a pull back up. Now again, we are looking to travel back to that upside of those 90s. Still bullish as of right now. We get back below these 84s again, we could see some drop off, but still can potentially be a nice bullish move. Best to get this market to come back right around this area, or even this level of a prior peak, somewhere around these 85s, and see if we can get that bounce of support. And if we can, then we'll continue to move back up on gold. So that's what we're going to be looking for on S&P 500 and also on gold. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are going to be in the London session room with me, feel free to ask any questions. If you guys have any questions and are not going to be in the room, feel free to pop them here on the YouTube and I will get back to you guys. Thank you all. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys did like this video, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. For those who are, thank you very much. You guys have a great night. Take care, and we'll chat again.